Hey guys, this is Kamalesh Swargam from IIT Bhilai, and in this video I'm going to answer the top questions you people might have in mind before joining the campus. The most important info is at the end, so make sure to watch till the end. From what to pack, how to travel, clubs, fests, and to what life is here at IIT Bhilai, this video covers it all. So let's begin. Question number 1. What should I pack before coming to IIT Bhilai? Pack essentials like single bed sheets, extension cords, basic medicines, casual clothes, formal clothes for your presentations, ethnic wear for festivals and fests, and sportswear. Don't forget to carry your umbrellas because Bhilai ka monsoon hits hard. There is a supermarket in the campus, so you can buy curtains, books, toothpaste, soaps, snacks, etc. And on the first day, in front of your hostels, there will be stalls. So you can buy your mattresses, buckets, doormats, mugs, and all the other essentials you will need. Make sure not to get kettles, iron, hair dryer, etc. because they are not allowed in the hostels. Question number 2. How do I reach IIT Bhilai? If you are coming by train, the nearest station is Durg Junction, which is 8 kilometers. And from there, you can take an auto, which is about 200 to 300, to reach the gate 2, which is also known as the Koka gate. And the nearest airport is Swami Vivekananda Airport in Raipur, which is about 40 kilometers, and cabs usually take about 2000 rupees to reach the campus. Also, one thing you have to note is that there is no Ola or Uber in Bhilai. I mean, Ola is there in Bhilai, but it is very rare that you'll find an auto or cab. So I would say don't depend on it. Question number 3. What are the hostels and campus facilities like? So, as soon as you come on campus for your first year, you'll be staying in Gopad hostel for the boys and Indravati hostel for the girls. All air conditioned with Wi-Fi, laundry, indoor sports and housekeeping services. To see how the hostels look like, I've made complete hostel tours for boys and girls on my channel, so you can check them out or click the I here. And on campus, there's a central library, gym, sports ground, basketball and volleyball courts, shopping complex, bank, post office, health center with pharmacy and doctors available 24/7, and a beautiful campus to roam around with lots of trees. Question number 4. What are the clubs and student bodies in IIT Bhilai? So let me tell you, there are so many clubs to spend your time and learn new things. In my first year, that is last year, I was a part of about 6 clubs. And so let me elaborate about the clubs. There are two kinds of clubs. Sci-tech clubs, which include all of the tech-based clubs, and the cultural clubs like dance, singing, etc. So in Sci-tech clubs, you have Google developer groups, Space Exploration Society, Electromos, the Electronics Club, Ingenuity, the Competitive Programming Club, Epsilon, the Robotics Club, Open Lake, the Open Source Club, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence Club, BIB, that is Blockchain Club, Spectre, the Cyber Security Club, FinTech Society, Motorsports Club, and Institute Innovation Council, which is IIC. Coming to the cultural clubs, there is Renaissance, the Fine Arts Club, Beat Hackers, the Dance Club, Drishya, the Drama Club, Quizzotica, the Quizzing Club, Swara, the Music Club, the Pixel Snappers, the Photography Club, DesignX, the Digital Arts Club, EBSB, which is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, SpeakMackey Heritage Club, Goals, the General Oratory and Literary Society, and FPS, that is the Film Production Society. There's also an outreach club and an entrepreneurship cell, and more clubs are being added. Also, I'm sorry if I missed any club coordinators. And the best part, there's a student council that manages all these student activities. And the presidents are chosen by elections every year. So, question number 5. What are the major fests at IIT Bhilai? So, there are 3 major fests. One is Meraz, that is the annual technocultural fest, and it's open to all colleges across India. Artists are invited, and it's a 3-day long fest with various kinds of activities including pro nights, which are like concert nights on every evening. The second club is Prayatna, which is our sports fest. There are multiple sports like badminton, basketball, TT, chess, etc., and it's super competitive. And the third one is Anveshan, which is the intra college fest. So we have a wide range of activities like short filmmaking, photography, dance, skits, etc. etc. And there are two more. You shouldn't say these are fests, but there's a freshers party called Chow and a farewell party called Cultscape, which is at the beginning and the end of the year, respectively. So, question number 6: how's the food in the mess and the other eating options? So, let me tell you, the mess is decent. There's both veg and non-veg, and you'll get rice, roti, curry, curd, fruits, eggs, paneer, chicken, etc. The mess menu keeps changing on a regular basis, but I'll just attach the most recent menu just for an idea. And outside the mess, there are five cafes, four cafes, and one is an Amul parlor. So you have Tech Cafe, NJC, CCB, Chhattisgarh Pride Restaurant, and an Amul parlor. And there are also decent amount of restaurants nearby for ordering on Swiggy and Zomato, like Domino's, McDonald's, and KFC. And the nearby options like local dhabas near Kutela Bata and Junwani Road are a must try, I would say, because their veg food is really good. Question number 7: what about transport inside and outside campus? So, inside the campus, walking is enough, but a bicycle can help a lot if you like need to go to the supermarket every now and then and stuff. But I wouldn't recommend buying a cycle as everything is pretty close and by inside the campus. But if you want one, sure, you can go ahead. There are autos outside gate 2 whenever you want to go out, and also there's a scooty rental. So if you know how to drive safe and you have a license, then you can use them as well. Question number 8: campus security and restrictions. You can go out of the campus and come back anytime between 6 a.m. in the morning to 11 p.m. in the night. There are guards all across the campus, so any safety incident can be reported immediately. And from my personal experience, I have never faced a security concern till today. Also, one thing, the hostels don't have any time limit, so you can be outside the hostel 24/7. And these timings, which I have said, are the timings for going inside and coming into the gate, the main gate. Question number 9: where can we chill or hang out on weekends? So the best place to hang out, I would say, is Raipur, because there are a lot of good cafes and about 2 to 3 good malls there. There's not much in Bhilai except the Civic Center, the Surya Mall, and a few good cafes. So if you need some basic things which are not in the shopping complex, you can go to Surya Mall. You'll get almost everything there. So question number 10: how's the academic pressure and support system? So the first year is manageable if you stay consistent. Like every course has TAs, that is teaching assistant, and your seniors are super helpful because you learn everything through clubs. If you ask me, I'd like to say be active in clubs and enhance your extracurricular activities in the first year, as you get to experience a whole new lot of things. Like, let me tell you, जब मैं college आया था तो I was in a lot of things, and I think I was a part of about 6 clubs in my first year. It was an amazing experience, and this year I'm dropping a few clubs to focus more on my personal goals. So question number 11: do you need a laptop? If you ask me, I'd say it's not compulsory to have a laptop in your first year, but from your second year it is a must. However, I'd suggest purchasing a laptop with good specifications if you're taking one, because college is not just about studying, it's about a lot more things. And trust me, if you have a good laptop, then it's going to be very beneficial for you. Question number 12: SMP, that is the student mentorship program. So many people wonder what to do after you get your admission, or how are you going to reach college. So once you've got your admission and your counseling is over, every 10 students are allotted a mentor, and they will guide you with all your documents you have to get, campus queries, registration process, etc. Basically, you can contact them for anything and everything, and they'll be there to help you out. So I'm actually super excited to meet you all, and let me tell you, I'm actually not a mentor because of a packed schedule, but my friends are. So I'll surely meet many of you on the first day of your college, that is your registration day, and hoping to see you all soon. So this time we have something crazy coming up for all the freshers so that you love your college right from the first day. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments, or you can also connect with me on my Insta and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped. See you on campus. Bye bye.